Get it together, Missy Pelo. Okay, I Ooh, it's wash day. We're gonna talk about this on wash day. Yes, we are.
Missy Pelo got a lot to say about this one.
Hey friends, hey family, back with another video, and as you can tell from the title, this is a review of the Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado Quinoa Co-Wash by Briogeo. That's a long that's a long nut. But in this video, we are going to go over it, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. If you are an OG, thank you for clicking on the button. Y'all know I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but we are going to get straight into the video. Today's video is all about a co-wash that, spoiler alert, I've been loving. I thought it was a gimmick. I thought it was overpriced. But they not lying with this one. They came with it. What am I talking about, pray tell? As you can tell from the title, I'm talking about Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado and Quinoa Co-Wash. This is amazing. You get 16 ounces worth of product, y'all, for $28. And there are some high-end co-washes that I'm like, girl, you can go to the drugstore and get that. Not this one, not this one. This one surprised me so much. I have not been able to put this one down. Even though I have been trying other co-washes, I have been picking up this one a lot more. I love that this is clean hair. Like, you know, there's clean makeup. This is clean hair. Briogeo is a clean brand. They are cruelty-free, y'all. And they use natural products. And I really like this. It says on the labeling, no harsh sulfates, silicones, or parabens. Reminds me a lot of Diva Curl in that sense. But y'all, I'm not going to give it away. I'm not going to give it away. Okay? I was getting ready to say, between my Diva Curl decadence and this, what would I love more? Hold it.
You're going to have to find out a little later, okay?
When I'm ranking the co-washes. So you get 16 ounces worth of product. I like the fact that this is the smallest of, you know, there is a 32 ounce. It's a little bit more. I believe it's like in the $50 range. But I love the fact that you get a good amount of product. Why? Because I have fine thin hair, but I have a lot of it, as you can tell. It is wash day, so I will be using this. And y'all, when I say I have had a lot of co-washes, I've tried a lot of co-washes, but you can feel when your hair is clean, you can feel when it's stripped, you can feel when it's nourished, it's hydrated. All of those things I get from this product. It has really good slip, and slip only means that I can detangle with this co-wash. When I talk about that the slip is okay, that means I have issues. And when it has no slip, honey, don't try to run your fingers through that, because it ain't gonna work, okay?
No bueno para mí.
This is really, really good. This is not going to be a long review because Missy Pelo obviously loved this. And yeah, I definitely would recommend it if you are on that clean kick. This is something that you can go for. Of course, there are some good alternatives at the drugstore. But y'all, I have not tried a good co-wash in a long time. Okay, that should tell you a lot. Even though I'm going through these co-washes, I could definitely, off the bat, this one stood out. Y'all know I am down with the co-washes right now, and I am still trying a few. I think I'm going to put maybe 5 at a time, because y'all, there are a lot of co-washes. There are a lot of like cleansers for your hair, so I think I'm going to do 5 at a time and do kind of like a lineup review, doing my best and worst. And I told you I wanted to rank them, so I will probably have to rank a few of them. Comment down below, let me know if you want me to do a review on the line of Briogeo. I know some of you have been talking about it, but I definitely want to get a majority to let me know if this is what you want to see. And let me know down in the comments what's your favorite co-wash. So 2 questions of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.